Hi there, I'm Dan with Interplant Sales. I'm going to run a Gorelli Centerless Grinder here for you today. It's made in Italy. It's got diamond throwing on the wheels on it. You just crank this handle here, run it across the wheel, and then you turn this for adjusting the diamond in and out. Same with the other side here. Adjust the diamond in and out with that, and then you turn this wheel here. Excuse me, I gotta go by you here. It moves the slide. And then this here moves the head in and out. It's got good tight action on the slide here. And then once you get it set up where you want it, you can lock the handle here and use the quick action slide for doing your parts over and over again. Let's start the machine here. Comes with a coolant tank over here, and it's got another screw feed rest. Comes with two screw feed rests. Here. Sure what this is all about, but that's for the coolant. Machine is wired for 220 volt 3-phase. Cover for it's right there. It's just off so you can film it. Good running machine, and if you have any questions, feel free to give us a call.